Dear students, welcome to the Economics Study Circle. In this video, we are going to present Business Study subject for 2nd PUC. Chapter 10th, Marketing. As you know that we already uploaded 1 to 9th chapters MCQs in our channel. Here I am going to present 10th chapter, Marketing. To get more marks, MCQ questions are very important. Let us start 1 marks MCQ questions. In this video, hot questions also included and marked with the red color star. So please give your 100% concentration. First question. First question is a hot question. Please give your concentration. Focus on satisfaction of consumers' needs is the key to the success of any organization in the market. The underlying marketing philosophy is option A, production concept, option B, selling concept, option C, marketing concept, option D, product concept. Right answer is option C, marketing concept. Question number 2. Marketing mix is the set of dash. Option A, selling tools. Option B, production tools. Option C, publicity tools. Option D, marketing tool. Right answer is option D, marketing tool. Next question, question number 3. Which of the following is a durable product? Option A, toothpaste. Option B, chocolate. Option C, television. Option D, stationery item. Right answer is option C, television, TV. Next, fourth question. Amazon is an example for option A, brand name. Option B, brand mark. Option C, trademark. Option D, label. Right answer is option A, brand name. Next question, fifth question. Which of the following factor affects the price determination? Option A, product cost. Option B, demand. Option C, government regulations. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option D, all of these. Next, sixth question. Which of the following is not a component of physical distribution? Option A, transportation. Option B, warehousing. Option C, inventory control. Option D, packaging. Right answer is option D, packaging. Seventh question. Seventh question also hot question. These types of questions are newly added to the question bank. Please give your attention. Providing information to the customers about product, its a feature and quality, etc. are part of option A, production. Option B, promotion. Option C, pricing. Option D, none of the above. Right answer is option B, promotion. Eighth question. Which of the following is not a part of promotion mix? Option A, sales promotion. Option B, personal selling. Option C, advertising. Option D, physical distribution. Right answer is option D, physical distribution. Last question in this chapter, ninth question. Discount contests, free samples and lucky draw, etc. are the example of option A, personal selling. Option B, sales promotion. Option C, channels of distribution. Option D, advertising. Right answer is option B, sales promotion. Thank you for watching. I will be come back with a new chapter. Please subscribe, like and share my videos. If you have any doubts, questions, queries, you can raise your questions in comment box. Thank you.